Want to make money by building websites with zero coding skills? Welcome to the world of AI-generated websites, where making money is as simple as a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI to build and sell websites that generate passive income. Step 1. What are AI-generated websites? AI-generated websites are websites built using artificial intelligence tools instead of traditional manual coding. They help you create fully functional websites in minutes, even if you have no technical skills. Step 2. Tools to build AI-generated websites. Some of the top tools include Wix ADI, Bookmark, and Webflow AI. These tools are easy to use and offer customizable templates to make your website stand out. Step 3. How to sell AI-generated websites for profit. Once your website is ready, you can sell it on platforms like Flipper, Website Broker, or even directly to clients. Some websites can sell for thousands of dollars, depending on the niche and demand. Step 4. Monetizing your AI-generated website. Once you sell your AI-generated websites, you can earn from the affiliate links, ads, or digital products you integrated into them. The more websites you sell, the more passive income you can earn. Step 5. Scaling your AI website business. Create multiple websites in different niches and scale quickly. Use automation tools to handle tasks like updates and customer support. Step 6. Market your AI-generated websites. Use social media ads, SEO, and email marketing to promote your websites. Target wealthy countries where people are willing to pay for high-quality websites. Want to learn more about making money online? Hit that like button and subscribe to Smart Money Moves for more passive income strategies. Start building and selling AI-generated websites today, and watch your income grow.